Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing something that I've really looked forward to getting into my store, and I'm really looking forward to sharing this with you today. It's a headphone amplifier. Doesn't seem special. It's a desktop headphone amplifier. Again, doesn't seem special. But this product is an Astell Kern L1000. It is one of the best headphone amplifiers, full stop, and the best available for its price. It is stylish, it is cute, it is beautifully well built, and it performs second to none on its price point. Let's have a look. So, Astell Kern. You'd be familiar with Astell Kern. We've got their media players, we've unboxed them all on our YouTube channel. They've been doing an amazing job of improving the way that we hear portable sound. Their desktop audio amplifiers has taken some of the very best examples of their digital to analog converters and other things and put it in an amazingly well styled, robust and beautiful product for the desktop audio market. So, let's have a look. Well, firstly, the packaging and all of those things. It comes wrapped in some of that sort of traditional factory plastic. You know, a quick nick, rip the rest off, and we're into the full colour packaging that's beneath. They never really show up well on these unboxing videos until I've got the plastic off, which is why I ripped that off first, and we get to see for the first time pictorial and other information on the packaging. It's a simple slide, and as I rotate this round, there's a lot of information about the product, its ins and outs and other things on the back. On the top, Astell Kern embossed, and then a little bit of information as far as the scan code for product and serial number. Slipping this off is really easy. There's a full colour sleeve, and we start to drill into this product. It's embossed with Astell Kern on the first flap that we see here, and it's at this point we get to see some of the accessories and other things as we drill in. The first flap opens and we see the instruction booklet. This is quite a good little booklet. It's multilingual, so look, I'll be honest, there's probably a significant number of pages that none of us would read, but it's a full function product, and so I expect the manual to be as big as it is. There's a simple enough warranty card. Look, nowadays in New Zealand we don't really need the warranty cards, but it's nice to have it included. Flipping open that next flap, we see some of the accessories and start to see some of the product itself. Firstly, as we take these out, you'll see a very significant laptop style power supply. Very high current, good voltage, well designed, and it's branded Astell Kern. It's not an aftermarket product. This is something that Astell Kern have obviously selected specifically for their product, and to make sure that they do an excellent job of delivering high quality, low noise power. There's a IEC power cord. I suspect this is probably for the Chinese market, but obviously fits beautifully into New Zealand plugs, so we'll leave that. In the bottom there's the Astell Kern USB cable. A cool little product. It's nice to see that it's wrapped in Astell Kern logos, but look, chances are they don't manufacture it. Okay. Having a look, we pull away the cardboard packaging. Now this has done a reasonable job of supporting the product in transit, but it's done its job, so let's get rid of it. Get rid of that sleeve as well, and lift the product out. Now, there's the rest of the packaging in the bottom. Now, this is what I wanted to show you. This beautiful L1000 is astonishing, because let's be honest, what's the first thing you need in a desktop headphone amplifier? You need a volume control. You need pretty much, that's all, You might want to change an input or two, but you're not going to do that every day. What you want is a massive volume control, and this thing is awesome. It's got the look and feel of something almost industrial, but yet it's got this lightweight use to it as well. It's got a lovely click. Anyway, look, you can see I'm enamored with this product. It looks awesome. Imagine that on your desk, beside your computer, beside your laptop, beside your CD player or other piece of equipment. Digital or analog inputs, and you've got yourself everything there. Anyway, let's have a closer look. Firstly, at the side. This is the inputs and outputs that you require day to day. There's a 6 1/4 headphone output, it's stereo. There's a 3.5 millimeter stereo socket, and there's a 2 1/4 balanced or 4-pole plug as well. There's a button here to change between the filter selections, that's the digital filters that they use, and above it a power button. Spinning it around to have a look at the rear, you'll see that this headphone amplifier will also drive speakers. It's got a little chipset amplifier. I wouldn't be buying this because of the quality of its amplification on board to drive speakers, but please, it's actually really good. So, you know, it's a nice little bonus. However, there is a switch enabling us to turn the speakers on and off, and it's right here. Okay, so if you're only using this as a desktop product, you can turn off its amplification stage. I'd assume reduce its noise floor and make it a little bit more practical for those that are just using this as a headphone amp. Okay, so the switch at the top is obviously speakers on and off. You've got a balanced headphone output for the higher end headphones. You've got the left and right speaker terminals, again you can turn them on and off. You've got the power input from, of course, the large power supply plugs directly in, and you've got a USB. This side, it's just a simple information about the product itself and the additional curve, looking at it around, and at the bottom a big pad to ensure that this doesn't slip as it's sitting on the desk. This simple enough product is so elegant and so perfect at its job that honestly, I'm so proud to have it here. This beautiful product, and please hang around for the photographs. I'm going to zoom in on some of these awesome things, power it up so you get a bit of a feel. This product is astonishing. I love it. It's excellent to see this product here. The L1000 from Astell Kern, their excellent desktop headphone amplifier, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.